What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we work on the interior some more. I'm gonna show you guys what I got the other day. Boom. We got a rear, or was that a console delete? And then we got a new late model restoration cup holder center console. So should be a fun day. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with prepping and then we're gonna roll into painting. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and soapy water with the Scotch-Brite pad this whole thing, and then we'll dry it off and then we'll start painting. So let's get going. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start painting. We're going to start off with the little piece, kind of do the underside just to see how the spray comes out. So I've never done this before, so this is the first. So if I mess up, I'm okay with it. So let's get started. And we're done. So this is what we got. Let's take a closer look at this. I'm gonna get you off this stand real quick. Not too bad for my first time painting something. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to the car. So I'll see you guys downstairs. Alright guys, so we're in the car. Now I've already done most of everything. Anyway, I almost died just now. Yeah, look how dirty that is. Wow. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is pull off your shift. I'll show you real quick. You're gonna go yeet, like that. Throw that down. Okay, then there's gonna be two Phillips head screws that look very similar to these bad boys. Whoop. There you go. And then after you do that, you're then going to move to back hizzle and move the tool chest out of the way. My portable tools. Whoa, almost fell. Anyway, then you're gonna undo. There should be two here. As you see, I already took one out because hey, I gotta make sure I know what I'm doing before I show you guys what I'm doing. Well, you guys to what. Yeah, you get it. Anyway, so yeah, so there's two, and then there should be two on this side. Where you at? Anyway, should be two in here, and then after that, you should. Well, yeah. So let me go ahead and take this last bolt out real quick. And you're going to need a 9mm and a Phillips head screwdriver. Look at that. Hey, look how dirty the carpet is. Heck yeah. Alright. You ready, guys? I don't know if y'all are ready for this, but hang on. We'll use the glove to prop you guys up. Here we go. Now, take this off, just like that. Okay, now you're gonna have 2 screws. So guys, now make sure your e-brake is up, and then you're going to lift this up. Now when you lift this up, you're only going to be able to lift it so far, and I have a message. Alright, so when you lift this up, you're going to see you have this plug connected. I'm just going to go ahead and take mine out since it's pretty much already out. Hey, there we go. Anyway, so you're going to have this connection and this connection for your cigarette lighter. And so you'll have your cigarette lighter and this bad boy, your mirror switch. Go ahead and disconnect those. I've already popped mine out because I'm just going to reuse that bad boy. Give me just a second and we'll go ahead and start installing this new one, because look how dirty this thing is. Yuck. For sale. Look at that thing. Gross. Alright, boom, final reveal. She looking nice and modern. Look at that. Paint match. Okay. Okay, this is how we do it on Texas Project cars. And then guess what? Guess what? New armrest. Look at that side. Oh, snaps. Now we just need to paint that. Paint this so that way it's all matching. Maybe replace doors. You already know. You already know. These are going bye-bye. Oh yeah, maybe next paycheck. Anyway, maybe next paycheck. Alright. So this stuff is going bye-bye. Someone wants that, hit me up. Yeah. Alright guys. Well, that was my quick video for the day. We're gonna go look at adopting an animal now. Blech. No, I'm just playing. Anyway guys, alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more awesome content. Hopefully it's awesome to you. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. So watch how I do that. And thanks for watching. Bye.